Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add VPN for your Google Chrome for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Google Chrome and you're going to search for free VPN for Google Chrome, and then you can visit this website, and after that you're going to download the VPN extension. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, and here you can click on add to Chrome to add the VPN to your Google Chrome, and you just need to wait for a moment. Alright, and then I'm going to click on add extension. Okay, now it's done guys. The VPN has been added to my Google Chrome, and if you want to access the VPN, we can go to the Chrome extension here, and you're going to open up the free VPN for Chrome. Okay, and hold on. Okay, and you can activate your VPN here, and then you will be able to change your location right here. Okay, but wait, it's still connecting, and I'm going to select this location. For example, I'm going to choose USA. Okay, and you just need to wait until the VPN has been connected. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get free VPN for Google Chrome. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!